Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. So the overall situation on the Natgas chain chart has of course not changed, but this triangle that we discussed in yesterday's video has played out or has developed further, I should say. So it's going to be very interesting if it really follows through to the upside next week. We're going to take a look at that. Overall, I'm still tracking here a diagonal structure, which seems to be just endless. So I still have this A, B, C structure, and we can use the Fibonacci extensions to understand what a key target is for the C wave. I mean, we already looked at the 1-to-1 ratio, 100% extension level. That was reached already before here, nearly. That was in October. And further extension levels, I mean, we talk about $3.72, but such a C wave in a flat can extend further. We would have $3.90, $4.13 as the next extension levels, just to give you a bit of an orientation of where we could be heading. I mean, even on the log chart, they are not much different. Here it's even the case that, let me just double check something if I actually have them on log as well. Sometimes worth checking them both. Here it's even the case that the 1-to-1 ratio was at $3.05. The 1.236 extension level is at $3.39, $3.61, and then the 1.618 extension is at $4.02. So it could even go above this original target box. But this target box is on the is measured against linear scale. So we just focus on that for now, because there is no sign that this uptrend is over at this stage. We broke back above the trend channel. The uptrend is still intact, higher highs, higher lows. It starts to get a little bit more volatile again after this period here was really, really boring. Now the idea is that in this C wave, in this ending diagonal, we have a wave 1 complete, a wave 2 complete. We're basically now in wave 3, which is an ABC structure because we're dealing with a diagonal. A wave, B wave, C wave, then a wave 4 and a wave 5. Now let's zoom in, go to the 1 hour chart. Here we had this trend reversal area. The price indeed reversed. I think we had a resistance area here which was broken, and that gave us some clarity that we should be on our way higher. I'm currently tracking here a 5-wave move in this potential C wave of wave 3. We have a small 1-2 setup down there, wave 3. This could be a wave 4. It looks like a perfect triangle. Now, sometimes when something is looking too perfect, you never know, right? But it could break out to the upside in a 5th wave, complete then this C wave of wave 3. So that's what I'm watching for next week. We did highlight we can focus on higher against $3.26, which is the 50% retracement level. So any break below that level would challenge the upside. And might send us back into this trend channel. And then we will probably or have a good chance to test those lows again, or the lower boundary line at least of the trend channel. So this is, the idea was that this could form a triangle here. So we have a descending trend line. We have an ascending trend line basically as a contracting triangle. There is not much space left. So my view is that probably next week, early next week, we will have a decision, maybe already Sunday to Monday overnight when the futures market opens again, and you would typically expect such an Elliott wave triangle to break to the upside. But we need to see a break above the B wave high to confirm that, and that would be a move above $3.63. And then we should move up a little higher, closer towards $3.90 next. These are sort of the parameters that I'm watching next. I mean, a break below $3.26 would definitely invalidate the triangle. I mean, the triangle will already be invalidated if we see a break below the A wave low at $3.32. That would not invalidate the idea of wave 4. It could still form some more of a complex corrective structure, but below $3.26, I cannot assume anymore that this is wave 4, which would result in a wave 5, because then we have dropped too low for a 4th wave. It should normally not go beyond or below the 50% retracement level. Yeah, that's my update about Natgas. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested or if you're interested to get updated about the S&P 500 as well as stocks, check out our S&P 500 and stock service. You can find the link in the description. You get intraday updates, daily videos, and much more. Thank you very much. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.